Mathaa ma miaraho muthenya wa umuthi nirio maabitha a ruhonge rwa TVET mahofaneirie thukuru wa Kenafric uria uri guku mucii wa Nairobi.
We normally check the conditions of the facilities, the programs they are offering and the qualification of the trainers.
Arutwo 30, arutani 6 na irathi 3 no arutwo aya makoretwo magithomithio kothi ngurani ari hamwe na kothi ya urugi. Haha kiuria ari uria irathi ici iragayanagwo gatagati ka arutwo a kothi itiganite. Marehi ma kothi thukuru-ini uyu ni gatagati ga ciringi 9,000 na 20,000. Ino ari njira ya kuguciriria arutwo ona aciari aria kaingi matoyaga kahinda guthuthuria ciĩgie mathukuru maya.
They are required to display the certificate of accreditation or registration. They are also required to display the license program so that you don't enroll in a program that is outside what has been licensed.
Arutwo thukuru-ini ici riu matire na wiki o tiga kuoha mirigo na guikara mucii nginyagia riria thukuru ici ikamukira marua ma kuhingura weru. Riri nao aria marugamirire maikitio ngono niguo kwandikithia ndumiriri uthuthuria ugithiaga na mbere.
I think the penalty is 2 years imprisonment or a fine of not more than $1 million.
Maya magithiaga na mbere urio rarugamirire ruhonge rwa TVET ta mwandiki mukaru Kevit Desai ni ugite kuri na mubango wa gutigirira ati aruti wira othe a kothi cia moko ni mariheagwo marua ma wira.
We have 174 technical vocational training centers within the country. Most of these will graduate into assessment centers. Not only will they assess their existing students, but they'll also be able to provide yet another value proposition by assessing recognition of prior learning.
If you go to your average mechanic, they have not been to a class, but they are able to repair our cars. So this system will allow us to assess that person and issue them with a certificate to say that this person is doing an important job that the country appreciates, and then they can even use it even to get jobs beyond the borders of Kenya.
Mogururi uyu uria wambiriirie kiumia kihituku utanyitwo guthie na mbere nginyagia kaunti-ini ingi guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV jitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.